It's been more than a year and a half using, or I should say abusing, this Gadsyll G-Star Touring Boots, and here's my review on it. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So up until a year and a half ago, I was using the Royal Enfield Huntsman boot for touring and for off-road riding. It served the purpose well, but the only downside was it wasn't waterproof. So in all rainy conditions or during water crossings, I had to stop and wear the shoe cover on it. So just before we went to Ladakh in September 2024, I decided to get a waterproof boots mainly for touring and for off-road riding. And that's when I came across these boots from Gadsyll. I got the Gadsyll G-Star 11 Tourer Boots, and so far it's been performing great. I will not get into the features of these boots. I mean, it has all the basic TPU, angle and toe protectors and all that stuff. The features, you can check them out in their website. I'll give the link in the description below. I'll get into the pros and cons of these boots after a year and a half of usage. The first main pro of the boot is the durability. These boots are damn durable. I've been using it not just for touring purposes, but also on the dirt track practice sessions, just like a motocross boots. Now, it is not strong as a motocross boot and it is not intended to be used like one, but I've been using and even abusing it to that extent. I toured with it to Ladakh and Kashmir last year and did many other small trips, and I use these boots for the dirt track practice sessions and trail riding as well. And even after all this usage, it has never suffered any damage or any kind of significant wear and tear. During trail rides, the bike has fallen on top of my feet many times, but even then the boot has stayed strong so that my foot inside remained safe from all impact. The second main pro of the boot is the waterproofing. These boots are really waterproof. They prevent any water from getting inside and making your feet wet. Many times during the monsoon when we went to the track for practice sessions, I used to get a lot of mud and slush stuck to the boot. Now after coming back from the track, I'll usually go to the car washing place nearby home, have the bike washed and also the boot pressure washed. Even with that, water never gets inside. The boots become clean and water never gets inside. Once when I was coming back from Ooty, when it was heavily raining, I had my raincoat on top, but the boot was exposed. Even then, in that heavy rainy conditions, water never got inside and my feet remained dry. The only instance when water got inside was during one of the water crossings in Ladakh trip where the water level was quite high, that water got inside from the top. So only in those conditions where the water level is too high and the water can get inside from the top, then your feet might get wet. Otherwise, for every other scenario like rain, mud, water crossings and everything, your feet will remain dry. The waterproofing on these boots is excellent. The third main pro of the boots is the comfort. The insides of the boot is very comfortable. I mean, these are riding boots, so you can't walk around or you can't trek on these boots and all that. This is not meant for that. But while you're riding, these boots are very comfortable. It doesn't cause any pressure sores on your feet or anything like that. It's very comfortable during long rides. The fourth is the cost. Given all the features and given how well it performs, these boots are relatively very cheap. The G-Star 11 Tourer Boots comes around 8,000 rupees. Now these boots are so good that I got a pair of the smaller ones, the smaller version, that is the W9 version for city commute as well. Now coming to the cons, I have not come across any major con for these boots except that it is not a good looking boot, but it performs very well. It does not perform like a typical motocross boot and it is not intended to be used as one, but for general touring purposes and mild off-road riding, these boots perform very well. After using for more than 1.5 years, I'm very happy with the product and I've been using the smaller version, that's the W9 version for city commute as well for the last 3 to 4 months. I highly recommend these boots from Gadsyll for touring, for city commute and for small trail rides. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.